The first thing we're going to need to do is download the project files for this lesson from the 3D Warehouse. So start by opening a window to the web. Since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to crack open Safari. If you're on a PC, Internet Explorer works just the same. And here I've got my Google gadget for the 3D Warehouse on my homepage. So I'm just going to click there to go over to the 3D Warehouse. If you just type in 3D Warehouse in the Google search bar, you can get to it that way too. Once you're on the 3D Warehouse, go ahead and type in Working with CAD and make sure that you click on the little Collections radio button and then click Search. That's going to take you to a collection of files that we've put together specifically for this lesson. If you click on that, you'll see all the different files. Now, the first two files that we're going to take a look at are the Working with CAD example and the Exporting Plans Elevations file. So down the bottom of the description of each one of those files, you'll see a little link that says download to SketchUp. Also, if on your machine these aren't showing up as the first two files, go ahead and click on the sort by date link and they should show up there at the beginning. So here, just download those files. Here I have Safari set up to download those files specifically to the downloads folder on my computer. They might also be set up to save to your desktop or wherever. If you want to know specifically where the files are going to be downloaded, you have the option to right click on the link and select the option for download linked file or download linked file as, in which case you can specify a directory for that particular file. Since I'm cool with those just being downloaded to the downloads folder, all I need to do is just click on the link to download that file.